Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to turn any photo into a stunning painting style image. It's free, quick and super easy. Okay, let's get started. First, just open the Dreamface app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the Play Store. When installed it, just log in and don't worry, Dreamface has a free plan with a weekly credits and even free AI avatar generations. So you can try this without paying a cent. Next, just tap on AI filter and you will see a bunch of categories. Just scroll until you find the stylistic painting sections. This one. There are lots of styles here, from Ghibli or retro anime, 2D animations, pencil draw, and many more. Just pick the one that matches your vibes or as you like. In this tutorial, I will choose cartoon one, this one. And then I will choose my photo. And when you're done, just hit animate. And see, Dreamface just transform your photo into a painting style image like this. The eyes is a little bit weird, but it still looks good overall. And when it's done, just simply save it to your device and share it on social media, or you can also set it as your profile picture, or if you want, you can print it as wall art. And that's it. Turning your photo into a painting style is that easy. Okay, if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.